Commercial and industrial solar power systems are rapidly gaining momentum worldwide. And Kenya is no exception. Solar systems are a source of clean and renewable energy that not only benefits the environment by reducing carbon emissions and dependence on fossil fuels but also offers significant savings on energy bills. At Megapower, we are at the forefront of this solar revolution. With our cutting-edge technology, skilled workforce, and proven track record, we specialize in setting up commercial solar power systems tailored to our customers' needs. Our extensive project portfolio boasts over 35 megawatts of solar power installations in various sectors, including schools, universities, hospitals, large commercial buildings, office buildings, and communication towers. Our scope of services includes the complete value chain from consulting, supply, installation, testing, and commissioning of the solar project, operations, and maintenance. Contact us today to embark on your journey towards greener, more cost-effective energy solutions with Megapower.